Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find screen record. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings, I guess. No, you actually can't, but you can start recording, tapping OK, and as you can see, recording starts. Unfortunately, there's no settings of this recording, but at least we can record our screen. So let's record something. When you're done recording, in order to stop recording, just tap on this red glowing button, flashing button here. And after that, our recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album movies, no, captures. Here it is. And here is our recording starts. Unfortunately, there is no settings of this recording, but at least we can record ours. Like, it was my voice, but it sounds like aliens, but I tell you, this is how this phone records. When you're done recording, in order to stop recording, just tap on this. Tap on OK. Something creepy. So, and from here you can share, edit, or delete your recording. Please erase it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.